Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that J200 Toyota Land Cruiser SUVs are prone to experience. Number 1. The TPMS sensors inside the tires are prone to malfunction, causing the TPMS light to illuminate on the dashboard. Number 2. The secondary air pump check valve in 2008 to 2018 models is prone to get stuck in the open position. The ECM stores the code P2440 when this happens, and in some cases the vehicle goes into limp mode. Replacing the valve solves the problem. Number 3. The fuel cap tends to cause gas tank pressure leaks over time, and this causes the ECM to store trouble codes related to evap leaks. Number 4. The ignition coils are prone to malfunction and to cause cylinder misfires in vehicles that have over 150,000 miles. Number 5. The NOx sensors in 2008 to 2011 models are prone to malfunction or fail in vehicles that have over 100,000 miles. This causes the check engine light to illuminate on the dashboard, and the ECM stores OBD2 code P0325. Number 6. The driver's side front door lock actuator in some of these vehicles tends to malfunction. This causes the door not to lock or unlock with the key fob or by pushing the door lock button, and the door only locks or unlocks by moving the button manually. Number 7. The secondary air injection pumps in 2008 to 2013 models are prone to malfunction, causing the vehicle to go into limp mode. These pumps are expensive to replace. Hewag Technologies makes a bypass kit to eliminate these pumps and solve this issue permanently. Number 8. The oxygen sensors higher mileage are prone to malfunction, causing the check engine light to illuminate on the dashboard. Number 9. The OEM rear brake pads are prone to squeal at low speeds. Sanding the brake rotors down with 80 grit sandpaper and cleaning everything with brake cleaner normally solves this issue. Number 10. Many 2012 to 2016 models were equipped with soy-based coated electrical wires that makes them prone to get chewed by rodents, causing several electrical problems. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that J200 Toyota Land Cruiser SUVs are prone to experience. Take care.